These old black mortar and brownstone fireplaces can really suck the life out of a room. We're going to show you how to transform your stone with Limewash, but keep it natural looking. With natural stone, you've brought the outside inside, so you're going to see all kinds of things growing on the stones. Grab a stiff bristled brush, some rags, water, a vacuum, and get to cleaning. Don't strive for perfection here, but definitely remove all of those big chunks and any moss you see growing on the surface. Obviously, you want to cover the furniture and wear a mask while cleaning. Protect the mantle and the fireplace insert if you have one.
I can definitely help.
After cleanup is done, you're ready to paint. We paint the mortar lines first using a 50% water to Limewash mixture. It will help you get a vision for how much you want to cover the stone. Or you might decide to just leave the mortar painted. The Limewash for the stone should be more diluted, so add up to 100% or more water. Now the fun begins because you become the Stone Whisperer.
Each stone tells a story of bravery, valiance, and other qualities. How do you reveal this beauty? With brushes and rags and water. And then you wipe it. And you wipe some more. And behold, a stone.
Periodically take a step back and look at your work and marvel at what you've done.
Oh my God!
At this point, you can look around each stone and see if you need to add more Limewash to it, or use a clean rag and water and wipe more away.
Oh, almost forgot.
Fit check.
Heck yeah! This is so much better than that dark void. Now it's light, bright, cheery, and other descriptive words. And it doesn't have to be white. Limewash can be tinted to many colors. But either way, it's a very easy one-day project that can completely transform your room, and you can tell your friends, I DIY'd that.
Hey, look, I want to lay down on my bed. I don't want to be out here no more. Just let me in, I'll help you paint. I'll just lay down out here. Stupid. On second thought, let me in. There's a bear out here. And he don't look happy. I'm serious. Come on. Please. All right. I'll just stay out here with the bear.